Good morning. Today's news, 25th July 2020. You are listening to Khyati Anand, your news anchor from Lava from Media. Here we bring you latest news from around the world. IPL chairman Brijesh Patel has confirmed that IPL will run from September 19 to November 8 in UAE. Railway Board Chairman VK Yadav on Thursday announced that rail tickets will soon come with a QR code on the lines of airline tickets to ensure contactless entry to trains and stations. The government's move of revoking merchant discount rate and UPI platforms have a negative impact on the payment ecosystem, a report by an RBI committee stated. Three low intensity earthquakes occurred at different places in India with a period of 6 hours, the National Centre of Seismology said. India has placed restrictions on public procurement from countries sharing a land border with India, which includes China, citing national security. Hyderabad, Chennai, and Delhi are among the world's 50 most surveilled cities, a report by technology site Comparative showed. WHO's emergency program head Dr. Mike Ryan has said India, Brazil, US are powerful, able, democratic countries who have tremendous internal capacities to deal with the COVID-19. Israel on Thursday said that it's working with India to develop rapid testing for COVID-19 in under 30 seconds. Air India on Thursday said that the recent decisions of Air India regarding rationalization of staff cost were reviewed in a meeting with the Ministry of Civil Aviation. Central Pollution Board has directed that waste masks and gloves in general households should be kept in paper bags for a minimum of 72 hours prior to disposal as dry general solid waste after cutting them to prevent reuse. Thank you. I, Khyati Anand, will come tomorrow with latest updates. Stay tuned. Have a great day.